Good afternoon, Phil with PPS here. Today we've got a pressure wash the fence situation. And there's some black mold and mildew on there that we're going to be taking off. This is all before. We're using a rotating tip to get all of that stuff off there. See all the variants of colors. And back with you in a little while, show you the aftershocks. Okay, as promised, these are the aftershocks. The fence has been pressure washed. Got rid of all of that black mold and mildew. It's a lot better. Remember, that was almost black when I first started.